Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll talk about software tester task, which is day-to-day task. Like those who are planning to learn software testing, this video will be helpful for themselves. So as a software tester, first you will get a requirement document, which is also called BRD, business requirement document. Once you will get the business requirement document, then you need to create your test plan based on that BRD. Once your test plan is approved, then you need to create your test case. So after creating your test case, you need to decide which test case needs to be manual execution, which needs to be automatic execution. Those needs to be automated execution. You need to create your test script for that. It might be Selenium, it might be Playwright, it might be Cypress, it might be UFT. Whatever your company used, you need to use that tool. Once your automation script is ready, then you need to execute them. Once execution is done, if there is any issue, you need to log a defect. Once your defect is fixed, then you need to retest again. Once your test is passed, then you need to report that. After your test report is approved, then software will go to the production. That's all about software tester day-to-day task. I believe those who are planning to learn software testing, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.